Hello, Mom. Good afternoon.
Hello, Brian. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. Oh, how are you?
Well, we thank God. How is work going?
Our work is good. Work is good. So, have you gotten the stuff I sent you?
Oh, yes, my son. God bless you. Thank you for taking good care of me.
Mama, if I don't take care of you, who will? Eh? You know you mean the world to me.
Thank you. Your cousin Samuel is getting married next month.
Which Samuel? Is it the one that finished service 2 years ago?
Yes. After his service, he got a very good job. Now he wants to get married.
Well, congratulations to him.
You know, you are 7 years older than him.
Oh, Mama.
Why don't you want to get married, my son? Why?
Please, I'm not in the mood for this year. When would you get married, my son? Talk, please.
If it's hard for you getting a woman there in the city, then tell me. I will help go down to our own village, and look for a very calm girl for you.
Mama, wait, stop it. I can't do village girls. You know I have class.
Then look for a girl in your class and get married to her, okay? Don't you want me to carry my own grandchild before I get old?
Okay, Mama. No wahala, I've heard you, okay? You will carry your grandchildren and even great-grandchildren.
Then go get married and give me grandchildren, okay? Please, my son, please.
Okay, I've heard. Well, it's not like I've not been meeting girls. I just haven't met that right one, that.
Oh, don't worry, my son. God will help you. He will lead the right one on your way.
Amen. Mama. Oh, Mama.
Come in. Welcome to my house.
Hey!
Make yourself comfortable.
Your house is so beautiful.
Thank you. How are you now?
Fine.
How was your journey?
Thank God.
How is everybody in the village?
Everybody is fine. Your mom said I should give you this.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. You really tried though. For me.
Yes, so I should be the one thanking you for allowing me to come and live in this beautiful house of yours.
What are you saying?
What are you saying?
What are causes for? You are just fresh. You're eating money.
Me that.
Don't see your bum is already big. Nene, what are you doing?
Ada, don't say that. Stop.
Hello. Hi. Has anyone ever told you that you look an exact image of an angel?
Is that your pickup line?
I'm sorry, but what type of guy will I be if I let a beautiful lady like you just walk away without saying something? Hi, I am Brian.
Hey.
Ada.
What are you writing?
It's an application letter.
What kind of job are you even looking for, Sarah?
Any small job, any job I see. You know I'm not like a graduate.
What are you even saying? I beg. That reminds me. I think I saw a sales girl kind of job at the junction when I was coming. Yes.
Then let me apply for it now.
Go and apply. And I even pray they give me the job so that I can't be eating free food.
Ada,
Yes.
you are food.
I'll not pay my food.
So, you repay.
Let me see that writing it.
Look at it. The graduate of the Ugwoku family.
My dear. Yeah, I have seen your letter. Hmm? But you don't have experience of that size girl.
No, ma. I've not done this kind of job before.
Ah. But can you cook?
Yes, ma. I can cook very, very well, ma.
Are you sure?
Very sure, ma.
Well, you look responsible. Hmm? You don't look like someone who will steal my money.
No, no, ma. I don't know how to steal.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma. Very sure, ma.
So your salary is 20,000 naira every month. Then you'll be having 2 free meals every day. So are you okay?
Yes, ma. I'm okay, ma.
Okay. You will now go and come back tomorrow, then resume work. So why coming tomorrow? Come with your passport and your guarantor's letter. Do you hear me?
Yes, ma.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
God bless you, ma.
Bless you too.
Hey. Hey.
Bye.
Hello, beautiful. How are you?
I am fine. You?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. So, what are you doing later today? Any plans?
Not really. Why do you ask?
Well, I was thinking we could hang out, something.
Okay, no problem. Where?
Okay, I will text you the name of the restaurant.
Okay, alright, that's fine.
All right. See you soon then.
Sure. Bye.
Why are you gazing at me like that?
I'm more struck with your beauty.
Thank you. You don't look bad yourself.
Really? Because if I compare myself with you, I don't think I stand a chance.
You're really good looking.
I'm humble. Thank you. So, why are you still single?
Mad? Why did you hit my bottom like that?
Sorry, it was a mistake.
What kind of mistake is that? Don't you ever try that kind of mistake again. Rubbish.
What is happening here?
I came to serve this man drink and he hit my bum bum.
Shut.
It's a lie. I didn't touch her bum bum.
Hey!
She's lying.
Why are you the one that is lying?
Shut up! Wait, ordinary touching. And you slap him. What is so special about your bum bum? Eh?
Man, this man just molested me.
Are you a virgin? I said you should keep quiet. See, next time you repeat this, I will fire you. Nonsense.
You don't have to fire me. I quit.
Go! Rubbish! Sir, I'm sorry, sir. Please. Sorry. Don't mind her.
Next time, don't bring all these girls that does not know how to walk.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Nonsense. You can go.
So, welcome to my house.
Wow. You really have a nice taste.
Thank you. Thank you.
I didn't know you were coming with your visitor. Let me go and prepare more food, sir.
No, don't worry, okay? In fact, why don't you take the whole day off?
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Why did you ask her to take the remaining day off?
Well, that's because I don't want anyone to disturb what I'm about to do to you.
And what is that? You're just so naughty.
I'm naughty for you.
I love hair already.
Don't worry, you'll love it more when I take you around.
What kind of nonsense is that? Eh? Hey, if it was me, I would have broken that man's head. I would give him like this uppercut.
Ada, the slap alone that I gave him was enough to reset his brain.
No, it's not enough. It's not enough at all. Ha! God, if it was me, hey, I would have broken his head. And I'll give your stupid boss a dirty slap on her face.
Ada, I beg, I don't want to laugh.
Yeah, it's not funny. It's not funny at all. Eh? Don't worry. God will give you a better job. A better job that will pay you and will not even stress you at all, yeah?
Amen, amen, Pastor Ada, amen.
Amen. How that I was thinking I'll come and make him free food.
Hey!
Hey, your stupid boss, I will just break her head.
Ada, you are food. You are food. Hey!
Yeah, last time was fun, you know. I don't know why, I just like being around you. Hold on, sorry. Okay, can I call you back? I just got a call, okay? All right. Mama.
Hello. My son, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Well, I'm doing very well, just that I'm having slight headache.
What's that? Have you gone to the hospital?
No, it's nothing serious, but I have taken some drugs.
No, Mama, that's not good enough. You need to go to the hospital. You know I can't risk anything happening to you.
Oh, come on, don't worry, I'll be fine.
Okay. So when will you be coming to see me? There's someone I would like you to meet.
Ooh, I hope it's your fiancé.
Well, no, she's not my fiancée yet. She's just my girlfriend.
Alright, what's her name?
Her name is Jane. She's very beautiful, Mama.
Young lady.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Sir, I'm here for the application for the POS. Says girl.
Have you done this kind of work before?
No, sir.
Are you sure you are smart enough to do it?
Yes, sir. I am very smart.
Okay. We'll pay 15,000 per month.
15,000.
Yeah.
Sir, 15,000 is too small. Can you make it 20,000?
My dear, that's what we can pay for now.
Okay, sir. No problem. 15,000 is okay.
Do you have your application letter?
Sir, I didn't come with that, but can I come with it tomorrow when I'm coming?
Here is my house. Tomorrow morning, you come with your application letter, your passport, and your guarantor letter.
Sir, why will I come to your house to drop my application letter?
You've not started the job and you're already disobedient. Just come with it tomorrow morning and you get the job.
Sir, I cannot come to your house to come and drop application letter. I cannot.
Then there's no work for you.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, bye.
Hey, baby.
How are you?
I'm good. Welcome.
Yeah.
How's your day today?
It was good. Just stressful as usual.
Sorry, my love. Babe, why did you change the channel?
My team is playing.
Would you enjoy watching grown-up men chase a ball like kids?
But babe, you won't understand, okay? You don't know the joy watching my team win gives me. Trust me. Just...
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir, there's something I want to discuss with you.
Okay, what is it?
I want to resign by this month end.
Why?
My husband got a new job in the East, so I will be relocating with him.
Oh, that's a good thing. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay, let me go and get the dinner ready.
Okay, okay.
Babe, why would you let her go just like that? How are we going to get another maid that is as hardworking as she is?
Don't worry. I will get another one, okay?
Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm so tired.
Welcome, Ada.
Oh, thank you so much.
How was work today?
Work was fine. How was your day now?
Ada, boring as usual. You know I hate being idle.
Sorry. Hey, that reminds me. Can you work as a domestic staff?
Yes, I can.
Okay, because one of my friends, you know, she works with this domestic staff agency and they told me that I'm in need of domestic staff.
I am interested, Ada.
Okay. Let me give you a number so you can talk to her and tell her you're interested.
Ada, you're a sweet sister. Aww. You see why I'm always talking about you. Hey!
Okay,
give me the number.
081.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Do you want to work as a maid for my brother?
Yes.
I see. And you obviously look hardworking.
Yes, as a matter of fact, I am very hardworking. I can cook, clean, wash, and I'll take good care of your brother.
What did you just do?
Me?
No, did you just wink at my boyfriend?
I'm sorry, I thought you said he was your brother.
Brother, kill you there. Brother, kill you. Come on, get out from this place. Really? Can you imagine?
I can imagine.
Next!
What? Hello, good afternoon.
Out. I said leave my house. Get out.
Sorry, can I sit?
Sit to a sit key. Come on, get out from this place. What is this?
Baby, what's going on?
What's going on here?
Babe, has she gone? What's going on?
Nothing.
Where is she?
No, nothing.
Have you finished?
Next!
Finished.
Good afternoon.
Get out. I said get out! I said get out! You're slow. Babe, what is going
aren't you interviewing them?
Does this place does it look like a charlotte?
Like, I just feel you should give them a chance.
Which chance, babe? Did you see what I saw? Did you see that? Are we really looking for a maid or something else? Next!
Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, sir.
Perfect. You passed the interview.
You're not even going to listen to her?
Can't you see? Even with the Ishiago, you will know that she's... my dear, what's your name?
CHINENYE, ma.
Good, CHINENYE. That's the kitchen. Just go in there, make something. Let me just... I know you can cook. I know you can clean. You can do everything, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Please, just...
Thank you so much.
There. The door on your right.
So I don't understand what you did. You didn't even listen to her. You don't know if she can actually work harder than those other girls.
Babe, she can work harder than they. Just look at her and look.
How can you tell?
Why are you so concerned about those ones? What's going on?
Okay.
Are you interested already?
No, I'm saying...
No, tell me, are you interested in any of them?
I'm just saying that it takes more than an ass and a boobs
Really?
to take me from you.
Okay. Did you see what I'm carrying? Did you see what those ones are carrying? Tasty. Babe, what do you think?
It's nice.
Nice. You did well.
Thank you, ma.
Mind you, this is your business. The kitchen, the food, cleaning is what you should focus on. But you see this man right here, take your eyes off him. Whatever it is you do not go close to him. You see this? An acid. I will use both on you. You see this man? Take your eyes off him. Mind your business. I may look gentle, but I am sorry I am not close to being gentle. Did you get that?
Yes, ma.
Good. You may leave.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, sir. God bless you. Thank you.
You know I don't joke with you, right?
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
So it's a family of how many?
Not a family, but a guy and his girlfriend.
Really?
Yes.
Is he cute?
Ada, didn't you hear me? I said a guy and his girlfriend.
I know he has a girlfriend, but is the guy cute? Is he really cute?
He's cute, but he has a girlfriend.
I leave that one, Jerry. Overtaking is allowed.
Ada, please. I cannot overtake. I don't want problem at all. All I have to do is just go there and focus on my work. Overtaking? No, I beg. Ada, please.
I've had you. But that guy is cute. You know.
I don't know what you're talking about, though. Oh.
The guy is cute. That's why he took the job.
No, Ada. If you see the jollof rice that I cooked today, you know I'm a good cook. If you see the jollof rice, if you see the way I garnished the salad, and with fried meat. I wanted to use chicken, but I said let me just.
But because of the guy, that's why I cook the food like that.
So all these things I'm saying now, you don't understand that I took my time to prepare A delicious meal. That was what got.
Hello, Cynthia. Oh, Mr. Osaze is here to see me. Oh, no, yeah, let him in. Okay, thank you. Mr. Osaze.
Mr. Brian, how are you doing? Nice to see you again.
It's been a while.
Yes, that's because I've been out of town.
Okay.
Right? So how is work?
We thank God. It's been good, and we thank God for clients like you.
Very well then. Talking about that, I am here because I have a very big project and I want you to handle it yourself.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. Okay. What? Mad. This guy missed this. This guy can play ball.
I really do not know what you gain in watching football.
Babe, football is the only thing that gives me joy.
Really? So you mean I do not give you joy?
Come on. You know I didn't mean it like that.
So how do you mean it?
Baby. Come on. Listen. You are my joy, my peace, my love, and my world, okay?
Don't say that again.
Okay.
Babe, can I ask you for something?
What's that?
I need some money. I need the money to get some things for my studio.
How much?
300,000.
Okay. I'll send it to you.
Really?
Yeah, why?
Thank you so much, my love. Thank you. I love you so much. Thank you, my love. Thank you.
So what do you think?
I love this. Brian, this is beautiful. I love it.
Thank you.
Congratulations, bro. Thanks. Well, you know, I would have to show this to my partners. I'm not the only one on this project, all right? They also have to approve it.
I don't have a problem with that.
Good. Man, I love this.
That's good to go.
I have to leave now, so I'll see you soon.
All right. All right.
Well, congratulations, my brother.
Thank you.
I appreciate you.
Yeah.
All right, take care of you.
All right.
Good.
Hello, good afternoon, Mama.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, no. How are you?
We thank God. I will be coming this weekend to see you.
Oh, that's nice. That's good. I've missed your face. And yes, this will also be an opportunity for you to meet my fiancée and maybe bond with her or something like that.
She is even the reason I'm coming to see you, so that I can see the woman who wants to spend the rest of her life with my son.
Mama, look, don't stress yourself. I promise you, you're going to like her. She's a very nice woman. She's very beautiful and very nice.
I don't need you to tell me that. I'll see for myself.
Okay. Yeah, when you come, we're going to... Would do you want anything? Please, bring Ofaku for me. That, Babe, my mom will be paying us a visit next weekend.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
I mean, why will she travel all the way from her house? You guys literally talk every day.
Talking every day is not the same thing as seeing someone in person, babe. Come on. Hmm?
How long is she staying?
1 month.
1 month? Babe, 1 month is too much. It's too long.
She said she wanted to get to know you and bond with you. So I think it's fair.
Babe, your mom can bond with me in a week. 1 week is enough.
Baby, just relax, okay? Look, I'm sure by the time the 1 month is done, you'll be begging her to stay some extra weeks or months. So, calm down, okay? Okay?
Okay. Babe. Can I please ask you for something?
What is it?
I need some money.
Money.
I know you gave me money a few days ago, but I used that for my makeup studio. And I just have some family issues I need to solve.
How much?
1 million.
1 million. Wow. That's a lot of money.
Come on, babe, please.
Okay. I'll give you the money. I'll give it to you.
You will?
Yeah, I will.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, my love. You are the best boyfriend in the entire world. I love you. Okay. I love you.
I love you too.
Take, have this.
Trying to snatch my son from me. Never mind, come here.
Welcome, Mama.
You are beautiful, wow. Thank you.
So, Mama, how's your flight?
Ooh, it went well. You know, just little tumblings, but we're here now.
Welcome, Mom. Welcome once again.
So beautiful.
Okay, Mom. Why don't you just go upstairs, freshen up?
I'm starving. Oh, thoughtful of you. I'm starving. I know. Food is so delicious, believe me. It's very nice. So, who prepared it? Is it Chen or the maid?
Well, the maid...
Mom, I made it. The maid just assisted me.
Oh, nice. Super nice. You have just passed the cooking test.
Wow, thank you, Mommy.
Brian, I'll be going to my sister's place tomorrow. You know, it's been a while, so I'll just go visit her, then return in the evening.
Okay. Okay.
Babe, you know I told you I will be going to the studio tomorrow. I have work.
What's going on here? You guys want to leave me in this house alone, eh? Okay. Well, it's no problem. At least I have football to keep me company.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll be in my room now.
Yeah, me too.
I need to go rest.
Alright.
CHINENYE? CHINENYE? Goodness, is this girl deaf? CHINENYE? Ma, yes ma'am, coming ma'am. Goodness. Are you deaf? Do I have to scream down this building before you know I'm calling you? Come on, just shut up. I don't want to hear anything from you. You're just too sluggish for my liking. You're just so lucky that Mom likes this food you prepared. And mind you, if I hear you tell her that you made this food, I'll kill you. Did you hear me? If I hear you tell her that you made this food, you will hear from me. Come on, take these things out of here. Be fast about it. I'm off to the studio. So, make sure you greet Mom for me when she wakes up, okay?
Okay.
Don't get yourself. Do not take it off. I don't want to look for it tonight. See you, my love.
Okay. Oh, Mom.
How do I look?
Stunning as usual.
Alright, I'm going to my sister's place now. Whoops. Now look at your leads.
What can I say?
Alright, if I come back, there's something I would like us to talk about.
What's that?
Don't worry, when I come back.
Okay.
Take care of yourself. Mine
Okay.
stays there till I return.
Just kill me. CHINENYE.
Sir? Yes, sir.
Please get me a glass of juice.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Osaze. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. So, were you able to present the designs to your partners? Okay. So, what did they say? Are you serious? I got the gig. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, yes. I will see you later. Okay, bye. Thank you. Wow. No. You know what? I can't celebrate with a glass of juice. Get me a bottle of champagne. The bottle, get it. Oh. Give me. I'll do it myself. You know, this job, do you know how I pushed for it? It's a big deal. It's quite huge. Do you understand? Like, there was a lot of competition for it. But the thing just came to me on a platter. A gold platter. I'm quite happy. You understand? A lot of people would say I wasn't qualified to get it because I'm young. But relax. You know what? Get another glass for yourself, okay?
Sir, I don't take alcohol.
Oh, CHINENYE, did you listen to what I just said? Look, this contract is so huge. I'm going to run mad if I drink this alone. You know what? I will increase your salary, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Quickly, go get a cup.
Okay.
Thank you. Wow. They said I couldn't get it. You will like it. We have arrived, okay? Everyone has to know we have arrived. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. We should cheers to victory. Wow. You know, I said, let us toast again, okay? Because, like I said, I will buy you a Mercedes.
Hey!
A lot of people said no. They fought me. They fought me. But I am the man for this job. Okay? I'm the man for the job. Call me the man for the job. Say it. I have to hear it. The man for the job, okay? You know what? Let us take this celebration upstairs. Let's go. Come. We are going to celebrate. We got the job. Huh? Let's go. Okay? Hold yourself. Do you want me to carry you? Okay? We celebrate. Mercedes for you. Okay? What have I done? What have I done? Oh my God. Brian, you've messed up. Look, okay, I'm sorry for what I did to you, okay? It's my fault, I'm sorry.
No, sir, it's not your fault. We're both drunk.
No, please. It's my fault. I forced you to drink with me, okay? So, please, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm very sorry. No, don't touch me, please. Can you please leave my room? Please leave my room, I beg you. Please leave. Can you be fast? And CHINENYE, you're fired.
Fired?
Look, I'll pay you your 3-month salary, okay?
No, sir, please.
Okay.
I need the work, please. I need this job.
Okay, 1 year, okay? 1 year. I just can't have you in this house with what just happened, okay? Please let me go now.
Sir.
No, please leave. I beg you. Okay? Don't make this harder than it is already. Just go. Please. Can you go, please? Don't make this harder than it is. had to be the maid. Alcohol is a bastard. Champagne messed me up this time. No, come on. Too fly for that shit.
Yeah. What's going on? You've been like this since you came back. What happened? Talk to me now.
I was fired.
Eh? Fired, K? How? What happened?
He said he doesn't like my food.
He doesn't like your food. How? I thought you said you cooked for him before you got the job and he liked it.
I don't know, maybe he changed his mind. He said he doesn't like my food.
Ha. This is bad, though. Sorry. Boy, you get another job here. You'll be fine.
How are you, my love? Babe? Babe!
Babe, what's up? How are you?
What's wrong with you? Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm good. I'm fine.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yeah. I just felt a little bit of migraine before now. And
Have you taken any drugs?
yeah.
I'm so sorry, my love. Don't worry. I'm here for you now, okay?
Oh, Mama, welcome.
Welcome, Mommy.
Thank you.
So, how is your sister and her family?
Well, they're doing very well. Just that they're asking when you'll be getting married.
Okay, let me go and make dinner.
All right.
Babe, did you send CHINENYE somewhere? Babe,
Yeah?
did you send CHINENYE somewhere?
She resigned.
Resigned? Why?
I don't know. She just resigned.
And you didn't ask her? Why didn't you try to stop her? Or if it's to increase her salary? Babe, answer!
Look, babe, she's gone is that she's gone, okay? Am I supposed to beg her?
Come on, babe. Okay, fine. When are we getting another maid?
I don't know, okay? I don't even think I want to get another maid.
How are we going to cope? You and I know I cannot cope. Babe, this is not fair. This is not fair.
No, I'm going upstairs, okay?
Hold on. Are you sure? That's the kind of a woman you want to spend the rest of your life with?
Yeah, sure. I love her.
Young man, wait. Do you realize it takes more than love to have a blissful marriage?
Look, don't break your head, Mom, okay? Hmm? Relax.
Nigerian, how are you? Nah.
I'm not fine.
Jesus! You're burning! Eh? And this must be fever, oh!
I don't know.
What are you going to do? Jesus. Okay. Just try and just stand up. Let us go to the hospital. We have to go to the hospital. You're really burning. See your...
Okay.
Yes, just manage and stand up. Let us just go to the hospital, okay? Please. You cannot come and stay in my house and be sick, oh. I beg, oh. Just try, my love. Just try. Oh, Biko, just try. Just try and come out. Eh? Our clothes is even okay. Let's go. We have to go to the hospital, yeah? Sorry. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Hey, what's this one now? Eh? Sorry. You'll be fine. Hey, God. You see your body. Doctor, please. My cousin is not feeling too well. I don't know what is wrong with her. Eh?
Oh, okay. So, how are you feeling?
I feel cold inside and hot outside.
Okay. Do you sometimes feel dizzy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about vomits? Do you vomit sometimes?
I vomited this morning,
Okay.
but that was when I was brushing.
Okay. Nurse Rose. Nurse Rose.
Yes, doctor.
Please take this to the lab, eh? Let them run some tests on her.
Okay, let's go.
You can follow the nurse now.
Okay, thank
All
you.
right.
Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Go.
Congratulations.
Doctor, what are you congratulating me for?
You're pregnant.
Huh?
He fired me and said he couldn't stand me in his house. After what happened.
So what are you going to do now? Eh? This is really bad.
I don't know. I am confused.
No, this is not even the time to be confused at all. Eh? What I think we should do is to go to his house and tell him that you're pregnant. Yes, we have to tell him that you're carrying his child.
What if he doesn't want the baby?
Eh? He must want to. He must want it by force. He don't buy market and he goes and carry market. Somebody, you don't want the pikin.
What kind of problem is this? Am I cursed?
No, don't say that. You're not cursed. Eh? In fact, I think that God has even answered your prayers. Yes, God has blessed you already. With this child you're carrying in your womb now, God will lead your family out of poverty. Eh? He must surely take care of you. He must.
Okay.
You'll be fine, yeah? First thing tomorrow morning, we are going to his house to tell him that you're pregnant. Eh? That's the only way. Oh. You have to tell him he must know about it. You'll be fine.
Hold on.
are you?
I'm fine. Good morning, ma.
Good morning. Please come in. Wow. How have you been? Why did you quit your job? Oh, okay. I know you're here to know if there is still vacancy. Yes, there's still vacancy.
I'm not here for work. I'm here to see Mr. Brian.
Well, whatever you are here to see me for can wait. Okay? As you can see, I'm already late for work.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mr. Brian, but it can't wait.
Sorry. Who are you?
Mr. Brian, can I see you privately?
Whoa. Wait a minute. What's that? I don't understand what's going on. Well, whatever you have to say to him in private, say it here.
Mr. Brian, I am...
She is pregnant for you. She's pregnant. She's carrying a child.
Who is pregnant? I'm asking and you're looking at me. Who is pregnant?
Okay, fine. I guess this is the prank, right? So, where's the director? Where are the cameras? And who's gonna call the shot? Mama?
So why me?
Why is no one saying anything? What the hell is going on here? Brian? Oh my God. This is true?
Look, babe, it was a mistake, okay? Look at it.
Don't you dare baby me! Don't you dare! Animal!
Hey, babe.
Get out!
Babe!
Hey, young man! Get back here! Get back! Don't stand.
You must be dreaming if you think you're going to tie me down with pregnancy. Whatever you have in that womb or tummy or whatever you call that thing has nothing to do with me.
What? That is my first grandchild you're talking about.
Mom, please, for God's sake, would you stay out of this?
Really? How will I stay out of it? That's my grandchild. You are my son. So how will I stay out of it? This child stays.
Okay. So first we are going to go to the hospital to see if you're actually pregnant, and then we'll prepare for a paternity test. And if the baby turns out to be mine, then I'm going to take full custody of the baby when it's born.
Eh? I don't understand. So what about my cousin? What's going to happen to her?
She's none of my business.
No. I won't accept that. You're going to be responsible for both mother and child.
I won't.
Oh, yes, you will. Of course. Now, who does that? You want to bring in the child and throw away the mother? How can it be?
Mom, she's not my responsibility.
Really? Oh, yes, she is. From the day one you took her up to your room, pushed her down on your bed, opened her legs wide and made her pregnant. She became your responsibility, young man.
I was drunk, Mom. I was drunk, for God's sake.
Oh, glory, hallelujah. I love it. Keep being drunk. Because out of it, my grandchild is coming. And that's it. She stays in this house. The child stays.
Oh no, that's not going to happen. There's no way she's moving into this house with me. It's not going to happen.
Now you listen to me, young man. I gave birth to you, and whatever thing I say stays. Is it that she moves in, or I leave? Now believe you me, if I leave your house, I will never answer your call till after a year. And that's it. Come to me. Come here!
Now that he has confirmed you're pregnant, the next thing for you to do is try and make him fall in love with you so he won't push you out of the house.
Ada, you know I cannot make him fall in love with me.
Of course you can. You can do it. The only thing you have to do is love him naturally and his love for you will just grow.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure, 100% sure. Eh? This is a life-changing opportunity for you, Chinenye. With him as your husband, your life and your family will change forever. Eh? You just have to make him fall in love with you. That's the only way out.
Okay.
Let me help you and start packing your bag. Eh?
That's fast.
Yes. If you're carrying this child, you have to go to his house. You cannot stay in my house. Eh? Am I the father?
Hold on. What are you doing here?
Babe, I'm sorry. It was a mistake.
What kind of stupid mistake is that? You impregnated your maid and you're telling me it was a mistake?
I was drunk. I didn't know what I was doing.
Of course you didn't know what you were doing. I thought you promised you were going to live the rest of your life with me.
I haven't gone back on that promise. I will spend the rest of my life with you, if you will let me.
You've broken that trust. And a broken trust can never be regained.
I'm sorry.
Get out.
Babe, please.
Get out.
Please.
I said get out! Out. Get out.
He's just like me. When he's angry, he will show it. But later time, just...
Good evening, sir.
Hello, sweetheart. You're welcome. Oh, come on. How are you? It's all right. Okay? Like I said earlier, he's angry. Just give him a little time. He will calm down.
Okay, ma'am.
In fact, take his own food to his room.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you mad? Why did you sit on my bed?
I want to...
You want to what? Please get out now! Get out now!
Brian, why are you shouting?
Look, Mom, I know your plans, okay? But I will never love this maid. So please, can you tell her to get out of my room? Take her and go, Mom.
There's no way you will love her. So your plum plum is not scratching you anymore. All right. Let's go.
Hey. Take this rubbish and go. Take it out, please.
Come in. The door is open. What are you doing here? I thought I said I never want to see you again.
My love, I need you back in my life. I can't live without you.
Story for the gods.
But I'm serious. My life is boring without you.
You should have thought of that before sleeping with her.
I'm sorry, okay? I'll make it up to you. I'll do anything to make it up to you.
Anything?
Anything.
If you want me to forgive you and take you back, you'll give me 2 million naira. Are you thinking about it?
Fine. I'll give you 3.
Good. Don't touch me. Promise me you'll never cheat on me again.
Never. I'll never cheat on you again.
If you want me to forgive you again, kiss my feet.
Oh, come on, that's too much.
Of course, if you want me to forgive you.
You've said it.
You have to start from my feet.
Give me some. I gave you now. Come on.
You need to. You have to. No, don't.
Sorry.
No.
I'm sorry.
Kiss my feet.
I'm kissing your feet.
No, you're not. Leave me alone. Ada, I don't think I can ever make him love me. He hates me.
Be patient. With time, he will eventually fall in love with you.
He won't, Ada. He sees me as a common maid.
He sees you as a common maid because you look like a maid. Eh? You need to touch up. Oh. Ah.
How do you mean?
You need to glam up, babe. You need to start looking classy and attractive for him.
You want me to start making up and dressing up like those Instagram models?
Exactly. Men are attracted to a woman by what they see, but they stay with her because of her good character. You already have the good character, but you need to be attractive for him first.
I think I have an idea.
It will work. No man can resist an attractive woman with a good character. I will talk to you later, okay? I have a transformation to do now.
That's true. I have a transformation to do. Yeah. Ma, I need to rush to get something. I'll be back soon.
Oh, it's all right. But make sure you come back before Brian returns so you can prepare his food.
Okay, Mama.
All right.
All right, bye.
My goodness. Come. Come over. Wow. Ooh. You are indeed an angel.
Thank you, Ma.
My goodness. I can't wait for my son to come back. Once he sees you, believe me, he'll fall in love with you immediately.
Let me go and make dinner.
Oh, no. I'll be the one to prepare dinner. Yes, because I wouldn't want you to spoil your makeup.
Thank you so much.
Oh, no. What is this? You don't need to thank me. I'm doing it for my son. I want him to see who you really are. You are indeed an angel. Hi, Brian. Welcome.
Good evening.
Brian, just take a look at Chinenye. What do you think? Brian! Why didn't you ask me to come in? There's your food.
I'm not hungry.
What nonsense is that? I brought food for you and you're telling me you're not hungry. What do you mean by that? Please, eat your food, Joe.
Mom, so I cannot say I'm not hungry. You want to force feed me too?
Ugly boy. So, how is the food? I'm asking you and you're ignoring me. Why?
I like it.
Ooh. Chinenye prepared it. I mean, why don't you give this girl a chance?
You want me to give the maid a chance? Hmm?
So that's what you call her now? Is her name a maid? Come on now, this girl's name is Chinenye. Stop it. Give this girl a chance. She's a nice girl.
Please. She's keep her niceness in her pocket, okay? Once this child is born, I will take my child and kick her out. I'm never going to marry that girl, Mom.
Now, who do you want to marry? That ill-mannered girlfriend of yours that cannot even cook, cannot even take care of your house. Come on now, come on. Be reasonable here. CHINENYE is a nice girl. You will love her in the end. I'll be leaving tomorrow. Why are you looking at me? Is here my house? Brian, see, I do not want to hear that you are maltreating CHINENYE or that you chased her away. I won't be happy with you. Just behave yourself.
Mama, I'll miss you so much, Ma.
I'll miss you much more, sweetheart.
When will you come again, Ma?
Now, when will I come again? I do not know for now, but believe me soon. Okay? Okay, Ma. Now, do me a little favor. Take good care of yourself and my son. Okay?
I will,
Come
Ma.
here.
Mom, we need to go now. If not, you'll miss your flight.
Bye.
So has she finally gone back to hers?
Yes, she has. So, do you want to move back in with me?
Yeah, if you want me to, but I can't be in the same house without you, this girl.
I wish I can send her away without upsetting my mom.
What's that? You're such a mommy's boy.
Look, it's not... Okay, it's not about being a mommy's boy, okay? It's... My mom really suffered for me when my dad left us. Okay? She means the world to me. I just want to be at peace with her all the time.
Even at my own detriment? Come on, babe. Okay, fine. I want to ask you for something.
What is it?
I need some money.
Money. Again.
What is again? Do you have to count how many times you give me money?
I sent you money like 2 days ago.
2 days ago. But now I need this to settle some family issues.
How much?
Just 1.5 million. Come on, babe. Please.
Who is that?
No one important. So, back to what I was asking.
Family. Okay, I will send it to you.
I love you. Thank you, my love. Thank you for always being there for me. Thank you.
He didn't even look at me twice. I think he's not attracted to me.
Relax, CHINENYE. You need to apply more pressure.
I have applied pressure. He's not attracted to me one bit.
Maybe you haven't put yourself in his face enough.
How do you mean?
I have an idea.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Sir, do you want to? Are you not tired? Don't you want some massage?
Listen, if I slap you, you won't recover for the next 7 years. Are you mad? Please get out of this place now. Listen, if you don't get out of this place now, I will do something to you that both of us will regret. Get out!
I try all that I can just to please you, but everything seems so abortive. I try to erase and start again, but it's not working. Somehow we got together. One thing that's
I am done. I am done. He detests me.
Relax, Chinenye. You need to try harder.
Why does it all seem
Try harder, try harder. That's what you keep saying. I have tried. But I have shown him love. I have cooked for him. You know I cook so well. I have even tried seducing him. I have done everything. What have I not done? What? He detests me. I am tired, Ada. Ada, I am tired. I am fed up.
Just relax, Neyama. Relax. Give him time. His heart will soften and just don't stress yourself. Just give him time, okay?
All time does is to make his heart harder towards me.
Where is his treasure?
Treasure, kwa? What do you mean by treasure?
The Bible says, where your treasure is, that's where your heart will be also. What does he really like?
My team is going to win today. My team must win. Yes. What is wrong with Clock now? Why didn't he put Fabinho as the midfield? No. Fabinho would have been better. Fabinho would have been better as a midfielder instead of James. Look at what James is playing now. What is James playing?
What is wrong with Femio? What? How can you miss a chance like that? How? My God! Just imagine.
Now what is he playing?
Oh God! That was a golden chance.
Salah would have been better. Salah would have played it better. Look.
I swear you're right.
Yes.
Salah will not miss this kind of chance. Just imagine. Look at.
At all.
Salah doesn't miss this kind of chances.
Yes.
Nice save! God!
Nice save, Alisson!
Nice.
Alisson, the best goalkeeper in Liverpool. Look at, if not for Alisson, Liverpool will have gone down the table.
I swear, him and Salah though.
Yes,
Salah is quite something.
Salah is a treasure.
Yes, he is. Give him the ball, give him.
Yes.
Goal! Wow! Beast! Salah is a beast!
Salah is a beast!
Big beast! Look at what?
Just look at it.
That is such a
I told you Salah was going to win. Salah was going to score.
Are you kidding me?
Just
wow.
Just look at the recap.
Whoa!
Salah.
Mad. That's good. Salah, you did this one. Nice. Mad. Whoa. One more goal. Let's just score one more goal before this game ends. Let's kill these people. Let's destroy them. One more goal. It was a good game anyways. Nice game, guys. You guys did well. Yeah. It was a fantastic game.
That's my team.
Yeah.
That's my team.
Yes.
That's my team.
All right. Nice game, eh?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going up.
Are you not going to eat anything?
No, don't worry. I already ate earlier.
Okay.
Good night. Bad boy. Good night.
Ada! The football thing worked!
I knew it would work.
Guess what? For the first time, he didn't talk to me rudely. I am so happy!
That's good. So, what you have to do now is to apply more words.
Pressure!
Exactly. Make him look forward to coming home and watching football with you. Very good. That's my name. Okay, so make him what?
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. So, has the match started?
About to.
Okay, good, because I don't want to miss a thing.
How was work today? Hope it wasn't stressful.
No, it was good. It was okay.
Okay.
How How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
Excuse me.
Okay. Why is he put it? This guy's going to be a problem this time. Shouldn't have been using this guy. Thanks.
You're welcome.
I don't understand this lineup. Can you imagine?
Exactly what I was talking about before you came in.
This guy doesn't have physical presence. Why did he put him there?
I'll be right back.
Okay. About to start. You're going to miss it. It's about to start.
No, I'll be right back.
Here we go.
I bought this for you.
Thank you. Wow. Thank you. I really appreciate this.
You could wear it.
Really?
Just right now.
Okay. If you say so. Do I need to take this off too?
No. Just wear it on it.
Okay. Here we go. This guy's going to score. Goal! Nice goal. Let's go. Another one. to be safe.
Yeah.
Listen, I'm sorry for the way I treated you and all the things I said to you.
It's okay. It's all in the past.
So, to a new start.
To a new start.
So I should go up. Thanks for that.
Thank you. Hello, Mama. Good afternoon, Mama.
Good afternoon. My daughter, how are you?
I am very, very, very fine, Mama.
Oh, you sound so excited. I'm sure you're getting along with Brian.
Yes, Mama.
That's good. God is answering our prayers. Don't you think so?
Mama, Brian is a very amazing person.
Thank God. He is showing you the amazing side of him.
Yes, Mama. Mama, how are you now? How is everything?
I'm beautiful.
Okay.
Hello, babe. What's up?
My love, what's happening? Why haven't you been calling me?
I've been busy. I'm very sorry, okay?
So you've been too busy to check on your baby girl?
I'm sorry, okay? I apologize.
It's fine. Will you come see me after work?
I'm sorry, babe. I am really busy. I'm working overtime. I will even be taking work home today.
Okay, so when will you come see me? I miss you.
soon.
How soon?
Very soon, okay? I will have to call you back, okay? Please, I'm trying to finish this up really fast.
Okay. I love you.
I love you too. Hello.
My love, why are you doing me like this? When will you come see me?
I've been busy with work this period.
Too busy that you can't spend even if it's 1 hour with me?
I'm busy, okay? Please try and understand.
Okay, please try to come today. There is something very important and urgent I want to discuss with you.
What is it?
It's not something I can discuss over the phone.
Okay, I will come see you after work, but I won't stay long.
Okay, no problem. I love you.
Babe. Like,
So, what was so important that you wanted to see me?
so if I didn't tell you I had something important to tell you, you wouldn't come see me.
I already told you I was busy.
That's not an excuse. You're no longer caring. That bitch has succeeded in taking you away from me.
Jane, what is it you wanted to tell me?
Jane. It's no longer babe or sweetheart. It is now Jane.
Okay. Babe, what is it you wanted to tell me?
I need some money. Why are you shaking your head?
You're always asking me for money.
If I don't ask you for money, who else will I ask? Well, it's not much, it's just 500,000.
Okay, I'll give it to you.
Really? Thank you so much. You see why I love you?
Yeah, but I need to start going now, okay? I have to head home for work. I have a lot of work I'm taking home, okay?
Why are you pushing me away? Are you sure you're going home or you're going to see that bitch?
I'll come back.
How are you?
Fine. How's work today?
Tiring as usual.
Okay. So you go upstairs, freshen up, come down and have dinner and meet something very special for you.
Well, I'm not eating, okay?
Why? Are you back to hating me again?
Well, no. You know I can't do that, okay? But that's because I wanted to take you out to dinner. Wearing this.
What? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow, this is so beautiful.
So let's go freshen up, okay?
Okay. Wow. This is so beautiful. Today was so amazing. I had fun.
Oh, baby, I'm glad you did. You know, I enjoy spending time with you. You know, I'm just thinking of how I moved from not wanting you around me to always craving your presence. And never wanting you to leave my side. You know, I never thought I would ever say these words to you.
What words?
It wasn't what it seemed from the start, but you
I love you,
never know.
CHINENYE.
Love can come from anywhere.
I love you too.
Love can come from any angle. I didn't think you ever looked
So,
my way.
how is my baby doing?
Oh, don't worry. You won't hear anything.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
It's just 6 weeks. Let's go upstairs.
I can't wait to meet you.
You will.
Why is it all
Because
so
you can't wait to meet you
unequal?
too.
Why am I not perfect for you? Why is it
Thank you for taking me out.
Why
You
does
have a
it
lot
all
more
seem
coming.
unequal? Why is it all so unequal?
Wow. Hey! So both of you made love last night. Hey, Jesus.
Yes, we did.
How was it?
It was amazing.
That's good. Oh. Give me the food gist
Gist
now.
you what? I'm not gisting you anything. Go away, spoiled brat.
I'm happy for you. I pray that this joy in your home will remain permanent in Jesus' name.
Amen, Pastor Ada.
Amen.
Okay. Have a wonderful night. Hey, babe. You're welcome. You didn't tell me you were coming.
Jane, there's something I want us to talk about. There's something I came to tell you.
Okay, why don't you sit so we can discuss?
No,
I'm so sorry about that. What were you saying?
Jane, I think we should,
I'm sorry.
I think we should stop seeing each other.
What do you mean we should stop seeing each other? What are you talking about?
I'm leaving you, Jane. I'm breaking up with you.
You will what? You want to break up with me because of that thing?
She's not that thing. Her name is CHINENYE.
I see. So because of that maid, you want to leave me? For real? What has gotten into you? What is that? What are you doing here?
We've not seen you for over 2 months. The kids were worried, so
Did you have...
I brought them to see you.
Did you have to come here?
Jane, who are they? Who is it?
I am Phil. I'm her husband and these are our children. You must be the good Samaritan that has been sending us all those money. Brother. Oh. Thank you very much, I appreciate it.
Brian. Why did you come here?
The kids were worried.
You should have called my phone.
I did.
Then you should have waited for me to return the calls. What is wrong with you? Did you have to come here? What is it?
I'm sorry.
Do you know what you just caused?
Look, I'm sorry.
Oh, Jesus. So I'll call you back.
Baby, will you marry me?
I try all that I can just to please you, but everything seems so abortive. I try to erase and start again, but it's not working. Somehow we got together. One thing led to another and we got here. It was a mistake.